welcome back to Beautico. What's up? What's going on? Firstly, happy Diwali, you guys. So as you guys know, I do a Diwali makeup look every year. So this year is no different. I wanted to do something really wearable, daytime, fresh and very pretty and glowy looking. And my inspiration was Tara Sutaria. Oh my god, look at the look that she's done. It's just so fresh, daytime wear, beautiful and glowy. So she was my inspiration and that's what I did, and I think I did justice. I love the way it turned out. It's so pretty, perfect for this festive season, and it's very easy to do. That's the best part. I always like to keep it simple so that you guys can actually do it every single day. So yeah, this is my take on my Diwali festive look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyway, you can go ahead and start watching how I achieved this look. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's go. So I'm gonna start with my Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and blurred primer. Foundation, I'm going to be using the Bobbi brand's Skin Longwear Weightless foundation in the shade Warm Natural. This foundation is so good. It just gives me a very natural, healthy looking skin, but it still has a soft matte finish and it's super lightweight on my skin. I absolutely love the finish. It looks like a very beautiful, expensive, luxury, velvety looking foundation. So I'm going to use like 2 pumps. And I'm going to be using my damp beauty blender to blend this foundation out. Concealer, I'm going to be using my M.A.C Pro Longwear concealer in the shade NC35. I'm going to take 1 pump. Again, a very full coverage concealer. Applying it under my eyes to cover my dark circles. Also on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base. Around my spots just a little bit. I have some acne spots which I want to cover. So I'm going to be applying that right there. Around my nose and on my T-zone just to highlight. And then I'm going to set everything with a translucent powder. Now I'm quickly going to do my brows using the Bobbi brand's perfectly defined Longwear brow pencil in the shade Mahogany. So I want to keep my look very fresh and very soothing to the eye. So what I'm going to do for my eyes, I'm actually only going to be using this Bobbi Brown's blush in the shade Nectar, and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelids. And I'm going to be using my M.A.C 217S brush. Just taking whatever is left on my brush, and I'm just going to sweep it underneath my eyes as well, just to tie the look together. I'm just gonna line my eyes using the Clinique's Quickliner for Eyes Intense. This is in the shade Intense Ebony. Then to complete this look, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown's mascara. This is the Smoky Eye Mascara in the shade Black. And I'm definitely going to curl my lashes. Eyes are done. I'm gonna complete my entire face. Now I'm gonna start by bronzing. I'm using the Bobbi Brown's bronzing powder in the shade Golden Light. And then I'm going to use the same blush that we used on our eyes as my blush today, and I'm going to go a little bit heavy on the blush because I want my, the entire look to look a little bit more flushy and vibrant and a little bit fresh. And before we move on to the highlighting part, I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus to first set everything and melt all the powderiness on my face. And now it's time for some highlighter. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using this Bobbi Brown's highlighting powder in the shade Pink Glow. Wow, this highlighter is beautiful. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna sweep this highlighter right underneath right here, just to give it like a pop, and also in my inner corner. So for lips, I'm gonna be using the Bobbi Brown's Crushed Lip Color in the shade Watermelon. One thing that I want to do is open up my eyes by applying a little bit of white or like a cream eyeliner. So I'm going to be using the M.A.C Studio Chromographic Pencil in the shade NC15 NW20. This is my take on the Diwali makeup look. Super fresh, super pretty, very festive, glowy. I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you all did like this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Now I'm gonna go and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.